My name is Monica Franceschini, and I'm an IT Solution Architect for the SpagoBI Competency Center of the Engineering Group. And today I'm going to introduce you to how to maximize the value of big data with SpagoBI through a comprehensive approach. SpagoBI is an open source, 100% open source business intelligence suite. So, a comprehensive approach, because SpagoBI for big data can act both from the information building point of view as well as the analytics point of view. So as you see here, SpagoBI can interact towards different kinds of data sources such as big data sets, streams of bytes, and then semantic data. And it can produce different kinds of analytics with different visualizations. The main component that manages the interaction with the data sources, so that queries this kind of sources, is the dataset component, which is an independent object of SpagoBI that can, well, of course, inquiry data sources of different types. You can think of the Hadoop NoSQL databases, or RDBMS, or even other NoSQL databases. And then it can interact and can be notified of the newly available data coming from stream processors, or also can interact and collect information, semantic information or linked data from graph NoSQL databases. The dataset can be scheduled because of the high latency that some of these repositories have responding to the query, so it can be scheduled. And the result set can also be persisted on some physical supports or in-memory supports. But the data set which holds the result set can be used, or it is used, by different kinds of tools to produce different kinds of analytics. And why and how can this information building and visualization cooperate together in an agile development of information? You can see it in this picture, where starting from big data sources of both of the three scenarios types, the data set can be used by our worksheet engine to produce different kinds of charts, and the query over which each chart is based can then be modified and refined with our self-service tool, which is called Query by Example Engine. And then the cycle goes like this. You can produce new data sets, and then you can persist them. A quick overview about our tools. So we have our self-service tool, which is the Query by Example Engine, that allows the power user to create a new data set in a graphical and smart way. Then we have our ad hoc reporting engine, which is called Worksheet, and the Worksheet allows the end user to interact with the data set to produce and provide an instant graphical meaning to the data set, so to the data. And then, last but not least, the dashboards, which is a composition of different kinds of visualization that can interact one with each other and aggregate analysis to get information at a glance. So now what comes next? The challenge is to face unstructured and heterogeneous data as a scattered puzzle, and through statistical computing, data mining, text mining, and sentiment analysis, but also more advanced and predictive analytics to produce new values, so add value to information, also through new kind of visualizations, and that's what we need. So thank you, and excuse me for the mistakes at the beginning.